Jet is fully committed to quality, innovation, and service. Each and every product is designed to empower woodworkers to do more in their craft. That's why Jet is proud to introduce the new 15-inch planers. Engineered with the precision air strut system that provides consistent upward pressure on the cutter head to prevent board snipe, the 15-inch planer delivers professional precision on every pass. The powerful 3-horsepower motor with V-belt transmission includes a poly V-belt that reduces vibration and running noise. The helical cutter head houses 48 staggered carbide knives that are engineered to align themselves without any adjustment for a superior finish and quieter cut. The 3-row straight cutter head with 3 steel knives that lock firmly in place will prevent movement while in use. Engineered for high-quality cutting, the new 15-inch planers can remove up to an 1/8 inch of material with each pass and can handle boards up to 6 inches thick, supported by heavy-duty cast iron in-feed-out-feed tables. And the heavy-duty steel closed stand with adjustable feet provides added strength and stability. The large hand wheel with positive gear drive easily moves the head to the desired board thickness, producing accurate cuts. Quickly increase output by changing the in-feed speed to adjust the feed rate for better efficiency to meet your project needs. Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, the Jet 15-inch planer is CSA certified and is proudly backed by Jet's 5-year warranty.